Hello there, I am Codeman. Today let you know about what is the role of address element in HTML. So let's start. See its definition and usage. The address tag defines the contact information for the author or owner of a document or an article. If the address element is inside the body element, it represents contact information for the document. If the address element is inside an article element, it represents contact information for the article. The text in the address element usually renders in italic. Most browsers add a line break before and after the address element. And here's the browser which support the HTML address element. Tips and notes. First tip is, the address tag should not be used to describe a postal address, unless it is a part of the contact information. Second tip is, the address element will typically be included along with other information in a footer element. Here's a small example of address element. In there we used BR element to break the line. Let's show to you the practical example of address element in my desktop. Okay, as you can see in the video, the example are given in editor, which we seen in previous. Now I am saving this file. Refresh the output browser. Okay, this is our output. As you can see, all texts of address element are in italic. Thank you for watching this video. Next video will upload it soon. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to support Codeman.